Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Or, if you're new here, nice to meet you. Today, we're talking about the future, like Jetsons level future, but it's happening now. We're diving headfirst into the world of artificial intelligence. Specifically, the top 10 AI jobs that are hotter than a stolen credit card right now. Look, I get it, AI can seem kinda intimidating, like trying to understand Dwight's family tree. But trust me on this, these jobs, this is where the magic happens. Whether you're a coding whiz, a data detective, or just someone who wants a job that won't be replaced by a robot next week, ironic, right? This video is for you. So grab your thinking caps, maybe a stress ball for good measure, and let's decode the world of AI together. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Alright, kicking off our list at number 1. We've got the rock stars of the AI world, AI research scientists. These are the folks pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. The pioneers, the ones who make the impossible possible. Think of them like the Sherlock Holmes of algorithms, constantly experimenting, analyzing data, and coming up with new theories and models. They're the ones figuring out how to make machines learn, adapt, and solve problems we never even thought were solvable. Now, this isn't for the faint of heart. You need serious brain power for this gig. We're talking advanced degrees in computer science, math, or related fields, plus a healthy obsession with all things AI. Alright, next up on our AI hit list, we've got the masterminds behind those super smart algorithms, machine learning engineers. These are the folks who take those complex theories and turn them into real-world applications. If the AI research scientist is the architect, the machine learning engineer is the contractor, bringing those blueprints to life. They're the ones who train machines to learn from data, identify patterns, and make predictions. And let me tell you, this is no easy feat. It takes a special kind of genius to wrangle massive datasets, fine-tune algorithms, and create AI systems that actually work. Alright, so you know how in those detective shows they always need someone to sift through the evidence, find the hidden clues, and crack the case wide open? Think of Sherlock Holmes, with his keen eye for detail and his ability to see what others miss. Now imagine that same level of scrutiny and brilliance, but instead of solving crimes, it's applied to data. That's what a data scientist does. They are the modern-day detectives, but their mysteries are hidden within vast amounts of data. Well, that's kind of what a data scientist does, except instead of dusty fingerprints and mysterious phone calls, they're dealing with mountains of data. And trust me, this data isn't just some dusty old file folder in the back of a filing cabinet. We're talking terabytes upon terabytes of the good stuff. Imagine a library, but instead of books, it's filled with data points, each one a potential clue to solving a bigger puzzle. These data points come from everywhere: social media, sensors, transactions, and more. It's a digital treasure trove waiting to be explored. Data scientists are like the modern-day Sherlock Holmeses of the digital age, using their super sleuthing skills to uncover hidden patterns, trends, and insights buried deep within massive datasets. They use advanced tools and techniques like machine learning and artificial intelligence to make sense of the chaos. It's not just about finding answers, it's about asking the right questions. What does this data tell us? What patterns are emerging? How can we use this information to make better decisions? And let me tell you, these guys are in high demand. It's like everyone and their grandmother is trying to get their hands on a data scientist these days. Businesses across all industries, from healthcare to finance, from retail to technology, are realizing the power of data. They need experts who can turn raw data into actionable insights. It's a bit like having a crystal ball, but instead of magic, it's powered by data and analytics. They're like the rock stars of the tech world, except instead of guitars and drums, they've got algorithms and statistical models. These tools are their instruments and they play them with precision and creativity. They write code, build models, and create visualizations that tell a story. It's a blend of art and science, requiring both analytical thinking and creative problem solving. And just like rock stars, they have their own fan-base businesses and organizations that rely on their expertise to stay ahead of the competition. Now you might be thinking, Wayne, that sounds pretty complicated. And you know what? You're not wrong. It's not all just fun and games with algorithms. It requires a deep understanding of mathematics, statistics, and computer science. But it's also about curiosity and a passion for discovery. Data scientists are constantly learning, adapting, and evolving. They stay on top of the latest trends and technologies, always looking for new ways to solve problems and uncover insights. These guys are seriously smart cookies. But that's what makes it so cool. They're like the code whisperers, the data wizards, the masters of the digital universe. They can see patterns where others see noise. They can predict trends before they happen. They can turn data into a competitive advantage. It's a bit like having a superpower, but instead of flying or invisibility, it's the power to understand and leverage data. They can take a jumbled mess of information and turn it into something meaningful, something valuable, something that can change the game for businesses and organizations everywhere. Imagine being able to predict customer behavior, optimize supply chains, or even prevent fraud. These are just a few examples of what data scientists can do. They turn data into insights and insights into action. They help businesses make better decisions faster. So if you're someone who loves digging into data, solving puzzles, and basically being a tech-savvy detective, then data science might just be the perfect career path for you. It's a field that's constantly evolving, with new challenges and opportunities every day. Whether you're just starting out or looking to make a career change, there's never been a better time to become a data scientist. The demand is high, the rewards are great, and the work is both challenging and fulfilling. Just, maybe leave the deerstalker hat at home, but don't forget your curiosity, your analytical mind, and your passion for discovery. Because in the world of data science, those are the tools that will help you succeed. So are you ready to become the next Sherlock of the data world? The adventure awaits, and the game is afoot. All right, folks, let's talk AI software developers. These are the masterminds behind the scenes, the coding wizards who bring artificial intelligence to life. They're like the architects of the AI world, designing and building the software that powers everything from self-driving cars to those chatbots that answer your questions online. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI software development sounds about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me on this one, it's way cooler than it sounds. We're talking about creating software that can learn, adapt, and even predict the future. It's like having a crystal ball, only instead of mystical visions, you've got algorithms and data. AI software developers are the ones who write the code that makes all the magic happen. They're the ones who give AI systems the ability to see, hear, understand, and even interact with the world around them. All right, folks, buckle up, because we're about to enter the exciting world of robotics engineering. This is a field that is not just about creating machines. It's about revolutionizing the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Imagine a world where robots are seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, performing tasks with precision and efficiency that humans could only dream of. This is the future that robotics engineers are building, and it's closer than you might think. These are the brilliant minds behind those futuristic machines we used to only see in sci-fi movies. They are the innovators, the dreamers, and the problem solvers who are pushing the boundaries of technology. In their labs, they're developing robots that can perform complex tasks, from assembling intricate electronics to performing delicate surgical procedures. These engineers are not just building machines, they are creating the future. Remember those cool robots that could do just about anything? Well, those robots are no longer just a figment of our imagination. Today, we have robots that can navigate through complex environments, interact with humans, and even learn from their experiences. These versatile machines are being used in a wide range of industries, from manufacturing and healthcare to agriculture and entertainment. The possibilities are endless, and the impact of these robots is profound. Well, robotics engineers are making those dreams a reality. They are taking the concepts and ideas from science fiction and turning them into tangible, functional machines. This is no small feat. It requires a deep understanding of engineering principles, computer science, and artificial intelligence. But the results are nothing short of amazing. These engineers are creating robots that can perform tasks that were once thought to be impossible, and they are doing it with a level of precision and efficiency that is truly remarkable. Now, before you picture a bunch of greasy gears and clunky metal contraptions, let me tell you, robotics has come a long way. Today's robots are sleek, sophisticated, and highly advanced. They are designed with cutting-edge technology and materials, making them more efficient, reliable, and capable than ever before. From robotic arms that can perform delicate tasks with incredible precision to autonomous drones that can navigate through complex environments, the advancements in robotics are truly astounding. We're talking sleek, sophisticated machines that can perform surgery, explore the depths of the ocean, and even whip up a gourmet meal. These robots are equipped with advanced sensors, artificial intelligence, and machine learning algorithms that allow them to perform tasks with a level of accuracy and efficiency that is unmatched by humans. In the medical field, robots are being used to perform minimally invasive surgeries, reducing recovery times and improving patient outcomes. In the field of exploration, robots are being used to explore environments that are too dangerous or inaccessible for humans, such as the deep ocean or outer space. Okay, maybe not the gourmet meal part yet, but you get the idea. The potential applications of robotics are vast and varied, and we are only just beginning to scratch the surface. From automated manufacturing processes that increase efficiency and reduce costs, to robotic assistants that can help with daily tasks, the impact of robotics on our lives is profound. And as technology continues to advance, the capabilities of these robots will only continue to grow. Robotics engineers are the architects of this automated future, designing, building, and testing the robots that are changing the way we live and work. They are constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible, developing new technologies and techniques that are driving the field of robotics forward. This is a field that requires a deep understanding of multiple disciplines, including mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. But for those who are up to the challenge, the rewards are immense. They're the ones who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, creating machines that can do things we never thought imaginable. From robots that can perform complex surgeries with pinpoint accuracy to autonomous vehicles that can navigate through busy city streets, the innovations in robotics are transforming our world. And as we look to the future, the possibilities are truly limitless. So, buckle up and get ready, because the future of automation is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Imagine a world where robots are an integral part of our daily lives. They assist us in our homes, help us in our workplaces, and even accompany us in our leisure activities. This is not a distant dream, but a reality that is unfolding right before our eyes. Robotics engineers are working tirelessly to make this vision a reality, developing robots that are not only functional but also safe and reliable. These robots are designed to work alongside humans, enhancing our capabilities and improving our quality of life. In the field of education, robots are being used to enhance the learning experience. Educational robots are being used in classrooms to teach students about science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. These robots provide hands-on learning experiences that engage students and make learning fun. They can also be used to teach programming and coding, giving students the skills they need to succeed in the digital age. In healthcare, robots are making a significant impact. Robotic prosthetics are giving people with disabilities a new lease on life, allowing them to perform tasks that were once impossible. Surgical robots are enabling doctors to perform complex procedures with greater precision and less risk. And robotic assistants are helping healthcare professionals with tasks such as patient monitoring and medication administration, improving the quality of care and reducing the workload on healthcare staff. In agriculture, robots are revolutionizing the way we grow and harvest food. Automated farming equipment is increasing efficiency and reducing the need for manual labor. Drones are being used to monitor crops and gather data, helping farmers make more informed decisions. And robotic harvesters are picking fruits and vegetables with a level of precision and speed that is unmatched by human workers. These advancements are helping to ensure a more sustainable and efficient food production system. In manufacturing, robots are transforming the production process. Automated assembly lines are increasing efficiency and reducing costs, allowing companies to produce goods faster and more reliably. Robots are being used to perform tasks that are dangerous or repetitive, improving worker safety and freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. The result is a more efficient and productive manufacturing process that is driving economic growth and innovation. Even in the world of entertainment, robots are making their mark. Animatronics are bringing characters to life in movies and theme parks, creating immersive and engaging experiences for audiences. Robots are also being used in the creation of video games and virtual reality experiences, providing new and exciting ways for people to interact with digital content. The possibilities are endless, and the impact of robotics on the entertainment industry is only just beginning to be realized. As we look to the future, the potential of robotics is truly limitless. Emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced materials are opening up new possibilities for what robots can do. Robotics engineers are at the forefront of these advancements, constantly pushing the boundaries of what is possible and developing new technologies that are transforming our world. The future of robotics is bright, and the impact of these advancements will be felt for generations to come. So the next time you see a robot, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work that went into creating it. Behind every robot is a team of dedicated engineers who are working tirelessly to build the future of automation. These engineers are not just building machines, they are creating the future. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, the impact of their work will be felt in every aspect of our lives. The future of automation is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Alright, so we're talking computer vision engineer, which is like teaching computers to see. But what does that really mean? Imagine trying to explain to someone who has never seen before what a tree looks like. You'd have to describe the trunk, the branches, the leaves, and how they all come together to form this thing we call a tree. Now imagine doing that for every single object in the world. That's essentially what computer vision engineers do, but for computers. Except instead of showing them those weird eye charts with the progressively smaller letters, you're showing them, well, everything. From the tiniest grain of sand to the vast expanse of the sky, every single pixel has to be accounted for. And it's not just about recognizing static images. These computers need to understand moving objects, changing environments, and even the subtle nuances of human expressions. Think about it, we take for granted how easily we recognize a face, a stop sign, or a delicious-looking plate of nachos. Our brains are wired to process these images almost instantaneously. But for a computer, it's a different story. It has to break down the image into millions of tiny pixels, analyze each one, and then piece them all back together to form a coherent picture. And that's just the beginning. But for a computer, it's all just a jumbled mess of pixels. Imagine looking at a mosaic made up of thousands of tiny tiles. Up close, it just looks like a random assortment of colors. But when you step back, you can see the bigger picture. That's what computer vision engineers do. They help computers step back and see the bigger picture. That's where computer vision engineers come in. They write the algorithms that allow computers to make sense of all those pixels. These algorithms are like the instructions in a recipe, telling the computer exactly what to do with each pixel. And just like a recipe, it takes a lot of trial and error to get it just right. These are the brilliant minds who write the algorithms that allow computers to see and interpret images and videos. They use a combination of mathematics, statistics, and computer science to create these complex instructions. And it's not just about getting the computer to recognize objects, it's about teaching it to understand the context and relationships between those objects. It's like giving a computer a crash course in, well, seeing. And just like any crash course, it takes a lot of practice and repetition. The computer has to be shown thousands, sometimes millions of examples before it can start to recognize patterns and make accurate predictions. And even then, it's not always perfect. And it's not just about recognizing what's in an image, but also understanding the context, relationships, and even predicting what might happen next. For example, if a computer sees a picture of a person holding an umbrella, it should be able to infer that it's probably raining. Or if it sees a car approaching a stop sign, it should be able to predict that the car will stop. These are the kinds of complex tasks that computer vision engineers are working on. They're the ones making sure self-driving cars don't mistake a fire hydrant for a pedestrian, or helping doctors diagnose diseases from medical scans. Pretty important stuff, right? And it's not just about safety and healthcare. Computer vision is being used in a wide range of industries, from agriculture to entertainment. For example, farmers are using computer vision to monitor crop health and detect pests. And in the entertainment industry, it's being used to create more realistic special effects and animations. The possibilities are endless. So, the next time you use facial recognition to unlock your phone, or marvel at the special effects in a blockbuster movie, remember the computer vision engineers who made it all possible. They're the unsung heroes of the digital age, turning pixels into pictures and making the impossible possible. And as technology continues to advance, their work will only become more important. Who knows what amazing innovations they'll come up with next? The field of computer vision is constantly evolving, with new breakthroughs and discoveries happening all the time. It's an exciting time to be a computer vision engineer, with endless opportunities to make a real impact on the world. Whether it's developing new algorithms, improving existing ones, or finding new applications for computer vision technology, there's always something new to learn and explore. And it's not just about the technical skills. Being a successful computer vision engineer also requires creativity, problem-solving abilities, and a passion for innovation. It's about thinking outside the box and finding new ways to tackle complex challenges. And it's about working collaboratively with other experts in the field, sharing knowledge and ideas to push the boundaries of what's possible. And let's not forget about the next generation of computer vision engineers. Mentorship and education are key to ensuring the continued growth and success of the field. Experienced engineers are passing on their knowledge and expertise to the next generation, inspiring them to pursue careers in computer vision and make their own contributions to the field. The future of computer vision is bright, with endless possibilities for innovation and discovery. From improving the accuracy of self-driving cars to developing new medical imaging techniques, the potential applications of computer vision are vast and varied. And with the rapid pace of technological advancement, who knows what amazing breakthroughs we'll see in the coming years. So here's to the computer vision engineers, the brilliant minds who are turning pixels into pictures and making the world a better place, one algorithm at a time. Their work may often go unnoticed, but its impact is felt in countless ways, from the devices we use every day to the cutting-edge technologies that are shaping the future. Thank you for your dedication, your creativity, and your passion for innovation. The world is a better place because of you. As we look towards the future, one thing is clear. The work of computer vision engineers will continue to play a crucial role in shaping our world. Whether it's through new advancements in artificial intelligence, improved healthcare technologies, or innovative solutions to global challenges, their contributions will be invaluable. So let's celebrate their achievements and look forward to the incredible innovations that lie ahead. The future is bright, and it's filled with endless possibilities, thanks to the amazing work of computer vision engineers. Ever wished you could have a conversation with your computer that didn't involve frantic typing and confusing error messages? Imagine a world where you could simply speak to your computer, and it would understand you perfectly, responding with the same level of nuance and comprehension as a human being. No more deciphering cryptic error codes or struggling to find the right command. Instead, you could just say what you need, and your computer would get it. This isn't just a far-off dream, it's a vision that natural language processing, or NLP engineers, are tirelessly working to bring to life. Well, that's the dream natural language processing, or NLP, engineers are working hard to achieve. These engineers are the unsung heroes of the digital age, dedicating countless hours to bridging the gap between human communication and machine understanding. They are the architects of a future where technology seamlessly integrates into our daily lives, making interactions with machines as natural as talking to a friend. Their work involves not just programming, but also a deep understanding of linguistics, psychology, and even sociology. They are creating systems that can understand context, tone, and intent, making our interactions with technology more intuitive and human-like. They're like the digital diplomats, building bridges between the language of humans and the language of machines. Think about it. In the same way that diplomats work to foster understanding and cooperation between different countries, NLP engineers are working to create a common language between humans and computers. This involves not just translating words, but also understanding the cultural and contextual nuances that give those words meaning. It's a complex and challenging task, but one that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. We humans, we communicate through this beautiful, messy thing called language. It's a tool that has evolved over millennia, shaped by countless cultures and experiences. Language is not just a means of communication, it's a reflection of our thoughts, emotions, and identities. It's full of idioms, metaphors, and subtleties that can be difficult to translate, even for other humans. Yet, we expect computers to understand and respond to our language with the same level of sophistication. This is where the challenge lies for NLP engineers. They must create systems that can navigate the complexities of human language, understanding not just the words themselves, but the meaning behind them. We use sarcasm, slang, and enough emojis to make Shakespeare spin in his grave. But for computers, for them, it's all just ones and zeros. They don't inherently understand the difference between a sincere compliment and a sarcastic remark, or the subtle nuances of a joke. This is where NLP comes in. By using advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, NLP engineers are teaching computers to recognize and interpret these subtleties. They are creating systems that can understand the context and intent behind our words, making our interactions with technology more natural and intuitive. It's all just ones and zeros. But through the magic of NLP, these ones and zeros are transformed into meaningful language that computers can understand and respond to. This involves not just translating words, but also understanding the context and intent behind them. It's a complex and challenging task, but one that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. By creating systems that can understand and respond to human language, NLP engineers are making it possible for us to communicate with computers in a more natural and intuitive way. That's where NLP steps in, using artificial intelligence and computational linguistics to help computers understand, interpret, and even generate human language. This involves not just programming, but also a deep understanding of linguistics, psychology, and even sociology. NLP engineers are creating systems that can understand context, tone, and intent, making our interactions with technology more intuitive and human-like. They are teaching computers to not just read words, but to actually understand the meaning behind them. This is no small feat, but one that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. It's like teaching a computer to not just read words, but to actually understand the meaning behind them. No small feat, right? Imagine trying to teach a child to understand not just the words you say, but the meaning behind them. Now imagine doing that with a computer. It's a complex and challenging task, but one that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. By creating systems that can understand and respond to human language, NLP engineers are making it possible for us to communicate with computers in a more natural and intuitive way. And it's not just about understanding our words, but also our intent, our emotions, even our sense of humor, or lack thereof, am I right? This involves not just programming, but also a deep understanding of linguistics, psychology, and even sociology. NLP engineers are creating systems that can understand context, tone, and intent, making our interactions with technology more intuitive and human-like. They are teaching computers to recognize and interpret the subtleties of human language, making our interactions with technology more natural and intuitive. It's a tall order, but NLP engineers are up for the challenge. They are the unsung heroes of the digital age, dedicating countless hours to bridging the gap between human communication and machine understanding. Their work involves not just programming, but also a deep understanding of linguistics, psychology, and even sociology. They are creating systems that can understand context, tone, and intent, making our interactions with technology more intuitive and human-like. By creating systems that can understand and respond to human language, NLP engineers are making it possible for us to communicate with computers in a more natural and intuitive way. This is no small feat, but one that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. So the next time you find yourself frustrated with a computer that just doesn't seem to get it, remember the NLP engineers who are working tirelessly to make that frustration a thing of the past. They are the digital diplomats, building bridges between the language of humans and the language of machines, and bringing us one step closer to a future where technology truly understands us. Alright, let's talk AI Product Manager. In the rapidly evolving world of technology, the role of an AI Product Manager is becoming increasingly crucial. These professionals are at the forefront of innovation, guiding the development and implementation of artificial intelligence in ways that are both groundbreaking and practical. They are the unsung heroes who ensure that AI technology not only works but also serves a purpose that benefits society as a whole. Now, this isn't your typical tech job title. The AI Product Manager is a unique blend of technical expertise and strategic vision. They are not just focused on the nuts and bolts of coding and algorithms, they are also deeply involved in understanding market needs, user behavior, and the broader implications of AI technology. This role requires a rare combination of skills, including a deep understanding of AI, strong leadership abilities, and a keen sense of business acumen. These aren't your typical code-slinging, algorithm-tweaking techies. They are visionaries who can see beyond the immediate technical challenges to the larger impact of their work. They collaborate with a diverse team of engineers, data scientists, designers, and business strategists to bring their ideas to life. This collaborative approach is essential because the development of AI products is a complex process that requires input from multiple disciplines. No, these are the strategic masterminds, the ones who bridge the gap between cutting-edge AI technology and, well, the rest of us. They are the translators who can take the complex language of AI and make it understandable to non-technical stakeholders. This ability to communicate effectively is crucial because it ensures that everyone involved in the project is on the same page and working towards the same goals. Think of them as the conductors of the AI orchestra. Just as a conductor brings together different sections of an orchestra to create a harmonious performance, the AI product manager coordinates the efforts of various teams to develop a cohesive and effective AI product. They have a deep understanding of how each component of the AI system works and how they can be integrated to achieve the desired outcome. They don't necessarily play all the instruments themselves, but they know exactly how each part should sound and how to bring them all together in perfect harmony. This requires a high level of technical knowledge, as well as the ability to see the big picture and make strategic decisions that will guide the project to success. They are constantly analyzing data, testing hypotheses, and making adjustments to ensure that the AI product is performing as expected. They take those complex algorithms, those mind-boggling neural networks, and translate them into products and features that people actually understand and, more importantly, want to use. This is perhaps the most challenging aspect of the role because it requires a deep understanding of both the technical aspects of AI and the needs and preferences of the end users. The AI product manager must be able to bridge this gap and create products that are not only technically sound, but also user-friendly and valuable. They're the ones who ask, okay, this AI is incredible, but what problem does it solve? This question is at the heart of the AI product manager's role. They are constantly looking for ways to apply AI technology to real-world problems and create solutions that have a meaningful impact. This requires a deep understanding of the market and the ability to identify opportunities where AI can make a difference. And how do we make it accessible and valuable to our users? This is another critical question that the AI product manager must answer. They are responsible for ensuring that the AI product is not only effective but also easy to use and accessible to a wide range of users. This involves extensive testing and iteration to refine the product and make sure it meets the needs of the target audience. They're the visionaries, the strategists, the ones who see the big picture and figure out how AI can make that picture even brighter. They are constantly thinking about the future and how AI can be used to create a better world. This forward-thinking approach is essential because it ensures that the AI products being developed are not only relevant today, but also have the potential to drive innovation and progress in the future. They're the ones who turn "what if" into "here it is." This is the ultimate goal of the AI product manager, to take an idea and turn it into a reality. This requires a combination of creativity, technical expertise, and strategic thinking. They must be able to envision what is possible and then work tirelessly to make it happen. This is a challenging and demanding role, but it is also incredibly rewarding because it allows them to be at the forefront of technological innovation and make a real impact on the world. The journey of an AI product manager is one of continuous learning and adaptation. They must stay up to date with the latest advancements in AI technology and be able to quickly adapt to new developments. This requires a commitment to lifelong learning and a willingness to embrace change. They attend conferences, network with industry leaders, and constantly seek out new knowledge and insights to stay ahead of the curve. They are also mentors and leaders, guiding the next generation of AI professionals. They share their knowledge and experience with junior team members, helping them to develop their skills and grow in their careers. This mentorship is essential because it ensures that the knowledge and expertise of the AI product manager are passed on to the next generation, helping to drive the continued growth and development of the field. Collaboration is at the heart of the AI product manager's role. They work closely with cross-functional teams to solve complex problems and develop innovative solutions. This requires strong communication skills and the ability to work effectively with people from a wide range of disciplines. They must be able to bring together different perspectives and ideas to create a cohesive and effective solution. They are also responsible for communicating the value of AI products to stakeholders and decision makers. This involves presenting their work to boards of directors, investors, and other key stakeholders, and making a compelling case for the value and impact of the AI product. This requires strong presentation skills and the ability to articulate complex ideas in a clear and persuasive manner. The role of an AI product manager is challenging, but it is also incredibly rewarding. They have the opportunity to be at the forefront of technological innovation and make a real impact on the world. They work with a diverse and talented team, solve complex problems, and create products that have the potential to change the world. And when they see their hard work pay off with a successful product launch, it is a moment of immense satisfaction and pride. In the end, the AI product manager is a visionary, a strategist, and a leader. They are the ones who see the potential of AI and work tirelessly to turn that potential into reality. They are the bridge between the technical and the practical, the present and the future. And as they continue to push the boundaries of what is possible with AI, they are helping to shape a better and brighter future for all of us. Alright, moving on to number 9, we've got the business intelligence developer. This role is becoming increasingly vital in today's data-centric world. Companies are collecting more data than ever before, and they need experts to make sense of it all. You know how everyone talks about data being the new oil? Well, it's true. Data is incredibly valuable, but only if you know how to refine it and extract meaningful insights from it. These are the guys who refine that oil. They take raw, unstructured data and transform it into actionable insights that can drive business decisions. They take all that raw data a company collects and turn it into, something useful. This process involves cleaning the data, organizing it, and then analyzing it to find patterns and trends. Think about it like this. Imagine you've got a giant pile of Legos, right? Thousands of them, all different colors and sizes. It's a mess. A business intelligence developer, they are the master builders. They take that pile of Legos and use their skills to build something amazing, like a giant Lego mansion, or a super detailed Lego Millennium Falcon. Something really cool. Thousands of them, all different colors and sizes. It's a mess. But with the right skills and tools, they can turn that mess into something incredibly valuable. A business intelligence developer, they are the master builders. They take that pile of Legos and use their skills to build something amazing, like a giant Lego mansion or a super detailed Lego Millennium Falcon, something really cool. They take that pile of Legos and use their skills to build something amazing, like a giant Lego mansion or a super detailed Lego Millennium Falcon, something really cool. Except instead of Legos, it's data about customers, sales, marketing campaigns, all that stuff. Except instead of Legos, it's data about customers, sales, marketing campaigns, all that stuff. And instead of a Lego masterpiece, they're building reports, dashboards, and visualizations that help businesses understand what's working and what's not. And instead of a Lego masterpiece, they're building reports, dashboards, and visualizations that help businesses understand what's working and what's not. These tools are essential for making informed decisions and staying competitive in the market. They're like the detectives of the business world, always looking for clues in the data to help companies make smarter decisions. They can identify trends, spot anomalies, and provide insights that can lead to significant improvements in business performance. They can tell you which products are selling like hotcakes, which marketing campaigns are falling flat, and where you might be losing money without even realizing it. This kind of information is invaluable for any business looking to optimize its operations and maximize profits. It's like having a superpower, but for business. With the ability to analyze and interpret data, companies can make more informed decisions, reduce risks, and seize new opportunities. And trust me, in today's data-driven world, it's a superpower that every company wishes they had. The ability to make data-driven decisions can be the difference between success and failure in today's competitive landscape. Business intelligence developers often work closely with other departments, such as marketing, sales, and finance, to ensure that everyone has access to the data they need. They collaborate with these teams to understand their specific needs and tailor their analyses accordingly. This collaboration is crucial because it ensures that the insights generated are relevant and actionable. By working together, they can identify key performance indicators, KPIs, and set measurable goals that align with the company's overall strategy. To do their job effectively, business intelligence developers use a variety of tools and software. These can range from data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI to more advanced analytics platforms like SAS and R. Continuous learning is a big part of the job. The field of data analytics is constantly evolving, with new tools and techniques being developed all the time. Business intelligence developers need to stay up to date with these advancements to remain effective in their roles. Many business intelligence developers invest in ongoing education, whether through formal courses, online tutorials, or industry conferences. This commitment to learning ensures that they can leverage the latest technologies and methodologies to deliver the best possible insights. One of the most exciting aspects of this role is the ability to work with real-time data. Real-time analytics allows businesses to make decisions on the fly, responding to changes in the market as they happen. Imagine being able to adjust your marketing strategy in real time based on how customers are interacting with your website or social media channels. This kind of agility can give businesses a significant competitive edge. Another powerful tool in the business intelligence developer's arsenal is predictive analytics. By analyzing historical data, they can make predictions about future trends and behaviors. This can help businesses anticipate market shifts and plan accordingly. For example, a retailer might use predictive analytics to forecast demand for certain products during the holiday season. This allows them to manage inventory more effectively and avoid stockouts or overstock situations. Data security is another critical aspect of the job. Business intelligence developers must ensure that the data they work with is protected from unauthorized access and breaches. This involves implementing robust security measures and staying compliant with data protection regulations. They use encryption, access controls, and other security protocols to safeguard sensitive information. This is especially important when dealing with personal data, financial records, or proprietary business information. Ethical considerations also play a significant role in data analytics. Business intelligence developers must be mindful of how they collect, store, and use data. They need to ensure that their practices are transparent and that they respect the privacy of individuals. Compliance with data protection laws such as GDPR and CCPA is essential. Failure to comply can result in hefty fines and damage to a company's reputation. Business intelligence developers help ensure that their organizations adhere to these regulations. Looking ahead, the field of business intelligence is poised for even more growth. Advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning are opening up new possibilities for data analysis. These technologies can automate many of the tasks that business intelligence developers currently perform, allowing them to focus on more strategic activities. AI and machine learning can help identify patterns and trends that might be missed by human analysts. They can also provide more accurate predictions and recommendations, further enhancing the value of business intelligence. As these technologies continue to evolve, business intelligence developers will need to adapt and learn new skills. This will require a commitment to continuous learning and a willingness to embrace change. The impact of business intelligence on decision-making cannot be overstated. Companies that leverage data effectively can make more informed decisions, optimize their operations, and achieve better outcomes. Business intelligence developers play a crucial role in making this possible. In conclusion, the role of a business intelligence developer is both challenging and rewarding. They are the unsung heroes who turn data into dollars, helping businesses thrive in an increasingly competitive landscape. Their work is essential for driving growth, innovation, and success. So, the next time you hear someone talking about data being the new oil, remember the business intelligence developers who are out there refining that oil and turning it into something truly valuable. They are the ones who make it all possible. And that wraps up our look at the business intelligence developer. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of data and analytics. Thanks for watching. And now for our final, and some might say most crucial, AI job in high demand, the AI ethicist. You see, as we build these super smart machines, we gotta ask ourselves some tough questions. Like, are we creating a future where robots take over the world? Just kidding. Kind of. But seriously, we need to make sure AI is used for good, not evil. And that's where the AI ethicist comes in. They're like the moral compass of the AI revolution, making sure we're developing and using this technology responsibly. They're the ones who ask the tough questions like, just because we do something with AI, Well, there you have it, folks. The top 10 AI jobs in high demand right now. From AI research scientists pushing the boundaries of what's possible to AI ethicists making sure we use this technology for good, these are the careers shaping the future. So if you're looking to break into the exciting world of AI, now's the time. There's a whole world of opportunity out there. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the latest trends in technology. See you in the next video.